Oh my. There's no way she's heard this song before. There's absolutely no way. Yeah, it's real. Just look at her. It's real as fuck. I'm still recording it. I don't know if it's gonna catch it yet, man. I'm fucking standing for it. I'll buy her a drink. Just to make her forget she did this.
Okay, they're just finishing up any triple chocolate meltdown, but I'll set this here.
If it's gonna be like this, I'll stay here all night.
Stay all night.
This is wonderful.
It's entertaining.
This is wonderful. She's never heard it before. There's no way.
I'm gonna start crying.
I really want to buy her a drink. Just to, I want to buy her a line.
Let's take her home.
Yeah, Tisha. Don't quit your day job.